watch.
I'm not going to.
I don't want to say stuff. Okay. Just be quiet. Don't laugh or don't smile.
Okay.
Yes, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My slime is kind of brown and
I'm not smiling. Keep going.
and it's very stretchy. See, it's clear inside. See? And
Hi guys.
it is very cold that you can see.
See? This is why I hate that crap.
Shush! I'm really just doing a video. Where should we put all of the trash, Mama?
In the garbage?
We could.
Can you give me a garbage,
So
like
I'm
a
gonna
little
add
plastic bag to put
most buggers.
in? Your mama raised you better than that.
I'm losing these ghost spingles thingies.
Mommy, it's working. It's actually.
Put it all in there and then we bring that downstairs for me.
Yeah.
And so when all of the glitter is on the table, I'm just gonna stretch it and put it on our next thing. Oh, yep, you just saw my mom. It's everybody, Mom. So this is kind of
You can keep your slime in an egg.
This kinda. It is really soft.
Yeah, you can keep your slime in an egg.
Okay, my sister just talks, so this is my slime. It's kind of black and
Yep.
like.
Hi guys,
gray.
welcome back to her channel. It's actually her first video. I'm surprised. She's doing really well. Okay, Maisie, keep going with your video. Sorry.
And and this slime is pretty bad, but it's kind of good. Like it's this kind of
And she's also putting her slime in this little egg right here.
And look at this. It's so squishy, but it doesn't make any noise. And I'm just gonna do this. Look at that.
Oh, Mama, raised you better than that.
So it's kind of not sticky. It's kind of not sticky, but sorry, but
Okay.
and so
Go bring this down to Mommy. Please. Please. Please.
watch my. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay.
Yes, she will be right. Sorry. Yes. She will be right back. And guys, this is her first video, so like and view, and hopefully you like it.
Okay, I'm back, guys.
Play with your scrub daddy for a little bit. Here, that's your slime.
Scrub mommy.
Your mama raised you better than that.
Okay. So you can't really. Funny. Susie, what do you do? My face is white.